this video, we're going to show you how to change your Palworld server settings. So if you need to change your Palworld server settings, you can do it directly from your control panel. So signing into your control panel at panel.infectedgamehosting.com, log in with your panel credentials, and then we're going to click into our Palworld server. So we're going to click our little manage button once you're at the dashboard, and this is going to be the Palworld server that we are talking about. First thing you're going to do is we're going to stop our server before any changes have happened. Once that stops, we're going to go into your configuration tab on the left hand side, and we're going to configure our Palworld server. So once you click into that, you're going to see your different command tabs. So these are your configuration tabs on the left hand side. So once we're here, these are all the settings that change through the panel. We're going to edit our settings. From here, update the settings you want to change. This could include things like your server name, your player slots, your day and night speed, your stamina settings, hunger settings, PvP related settings, breeding settings, gathering and drops, and other Palworld gameplay options are available in this panel. So gameplay, as you can see, this is where the multiple different configurations are going. So we can change any of the following if you'd like, enable reincarnation in hardcore mode, disable PvP items and bases. The possibilities are endless, these pre-made ones. So once you've changed the things that are needed, so if you want to enable friendly fire, we're just going to click onto this one. It's going to say settings saved. So once this is it, it automatically saves it. Don't have to worry about a save button. There is nothing. So we're going to go back to our status, and we're going to restart our server again. So once we start the server, it's going to buffer. It may take a few minutes to see the server in game, just until it buffs, but everything that you've changed in the configurations will then show in your game when you sign into the server.